Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Now let's go to each one step by step. Noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, bird or thing. Example: ram, school, zebra, parrot, pencil. Noun may be a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Example: ram is a noun, school is also a noun, zebra and parrot are some other examples of noun. Verb. Verb tells us what someone or something is doing. Example: sing, dance, jump. Verb is an action word. It describes what someone or something is doing. Example: he is singing, she is dancing, the dog is jumping. Adjective. Adjective describes or tells us something more about a noun. It describes what the noun stands for. Example: good, green, too. Adjective gives us some more information about a noun. Example: he is a good boy. It is a green tree. There are 2 mangoes. Adverb. Adverb tells us something more about a verb. Example: slowly, happily. Adverbs add something more to a verb. Example: he is running slowly, she is dancing happily. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word that stands for a noun. Example: he, she, they. Pronoun is used in place of a noun. Example: he is a boy, she is dancing, they are my friends. Preposition. Preposition shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun with another noun or pronoun in a sentence. Example: in, at, on, under. Preposition describes the position of a noun or a pronoun. Example: the cat is in the box, the dog is under the table. Conjunction. Conjunction joins words or groups of words or sentences together. Example: and, but, or. Conjunction is used to join words or sentences together. Example: he is a good singer and also a good dancer. Do you like coffee or tea? Interjection. Interjection is a word that expresses a sudden feeling or emotion. Example: alas, bravo, hooray. Interjection is used to express sudden feelings. Example: hooray, we won the match.